three. Yay! Hello everyone, my name is Abraham. This is my son, Leonardo. Yes, we are really excited. We have received the one funnel away packaging. Yes. So this bonus pack, please have a look. What do we have in there? We have the, you suddenly lost everything, 30 days. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? Which is very important, especially during coronavirus. We all need to save ourselves, not just ourselves and the people around us. So we could be one funnel away. Oh, you like the book? Yes. Later, yeah? And then what do we have? Have a look. We have the MP3 player. So this is going to be very useful even when you are running, when you are doing something, you can keep on listening to the teaching of Steve Larsen, Russell Brunson, Jim Edwards, and everyone. I found it very useful. Thank you. Thank you for ClickFunnels team. And we got the workbook. Have a look. Yeah? Every single day, for every single day. Do you know why is this? That means we are able to join ClickFunnels affiliate program at the same time while we are earning to use ClickFunnels to do our business. We also can recommend and help people to join ClickFunnels for them to benefit from that. Okay? So guys, thank you very much. I'm from Melbourne. My name is Abraham Cheong and I'm from Australia. See you guys.